हेलो, नमस्ते। आज के एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है। बाहर का तापमान 40 डिग्री और यहाँ की मेन हेडलाइंस में एक्ट्रेस पूनम बाजवा will be responding to comments from YouTube, comments from Facebook, comments from Instagram, random comments on email, good comments, not so good comments, all of them. So to all of you who think that I don't respond to my comments, yeah, that was kind of true. I was really busy, but I have removed time from my very busy schedule and उस एपिसोड का मुहूर्त आज आया। तो ये कोई छोटा मोटा इंस्टाग्राम स्टाइल का रेस्पॉन्स नहीं है। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ प्रॉपर लॉन्ग वीडियो वेयर आई विल ओनली बी रेस्पॉन्डिंग टू द कमेंट्स व्हिच आई थिंक डिजर्व्ड अ प्रॉपर वीडियो रेस्पॉन्स। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट कमेंट। इट्स फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन रवि who says, in my 9th class yours was the first picture I am fell in love with you for that smile. Till now. So Ravi, thank you very much, but small request to all my fans, you don't have to remind me how small you were when you fell in love with me. See, I was pretty much done with graduation and you were in 9th. Oh shit! But thank you for the love anyways. So the next one is from a user called navel_lover. Any guess what the question is about? नहीं? प्रश्न का कुछ तो guess? हाँ जी, नाभि के बारे में ही है. So this person says, I like your navel. Thank you. So tasty and yummy navel. भाई साहब, यम्मी मतलब, या देखिए, यम्मी चीज या तो घी रोस्ट होते हैं, या तो मसाला के साथ होते हैं, या तो पोड़ी के साथ होते हैं, या तो क्रिस्पी होते हैं. So I'm not sure how you came to the conclusion that it's yummy, but yeah, okay. I respect your opinion. Baigan. Okay, so the next question is from look_back_when_you_lost_. All right, hi. Look back when you. Okay, he's asked a brilliant question, guys. Do you heard a word called gym? First of all, it's here. Did you hear? Did, like in past tense. You hear a word called gym. So I have heard of gym, but I think you haven't heard of a dictionary. See, even if you heard of a dictionary, the conclusion is that you are not using your dictionary and I am not using the gym. Baigan. So we're even. I wish you love and light. And 7 blessings also. All right. Next genius question. So this is Soheb_K, which says, please let me know the person who is always there to capture such lovely pics with those awesome moments and feel jealous of him/her. So this is a sweet comment. Soheb, much love to you. And first of all, those sweet moments are planned moments mostly. You know that a lot of us are just experts of making it look candid. It's like, oh, take my photo when I'm looking elsewhere. And then as soon as it's taken, I see the picture. Mostly it is Nisha or my team or my friend who's good luck it was that day to have lunch or dinner with me. They have to take the phone and they have to click. So it's one of them. I don't think they'll mind handing over the camera to you. Okay. We move on to the next one, which is by Jeff Joes 1986. I guess that's his birth year. You may claim a copyright amount from Tesla for using your navel shape as their logo. Guys, I'm thinking about it because one of you actually wrote me the entire history of Tesla company and the entire history of my life also, saying that I was born before Tesla was launched. So there's a good chance that they saw my navel and decided to use that as their symbol. Yeah, I think I'll have a talk with Elon about it. Oh my God! You have a point there. And since we are friends, I don't think he'll mind. All right, moving on to the next. By Mr. Chenna Azad. Your thighs are so big that I can write an entire great Java code. Like on it or about it. Like if you have to give an algorithm for recreating those thighs, the code is that big. Or I'm just a little confused. But I take it in the spirit of appreciation, so thank you. Next one. Yuvar Channa 435. I will sit in the handbag. Would you take me wherever you go? Now I don't know if you believe in next life and previous life, but maybe if you come as a, those cute dogs. Sorry. Means all men are not dogs, not in that spirit. The really cute ones who become part of, then you will fit in the bag. Otherwise, I don't think the bag is that big to accommodate you. I'll think about it for sure. This is a valid question. The next question, not question, sorry, this is more like a statement by 4 the dots. Che, you're a girl.
Bruh.
Just in case I didn't know, but I need reminders, guys. Thank you. Like, I have ADHD, I forget. So unless you tell me I'm a girl, sometimes I actually forget. Thank you. She says, you are a girl. Don't act like monkey. क्यों भाई? मेरी मर्जी. Free country. I felt like acting while posing for pictures and I will do it again. Thank you, Ed, for reminding me that I'm a girl. Because I didn't know.
Baigan.
So our next question has the user's name written in Bengali. I think the third name is Yuvraj. Mr. Yuvraj says, you wear small clothes all the time. क्यों भाई? इस छोटी सी कमर पे जो 3.5 मीटर का कपड़ा लगा है उसका क्या? Small clothes. Okay, so the next question is from a gentleman called Shah Rukh Khan. Because why not? My dear Poonam, you hurt me with your actions. I didn't do anything, but okay, every day I think I will never marry. But seeing these trite acts of yours, I am thinking I should marry. आपकी मर्जी सर, कर लीजिए करना है तो. But my problem is that I will not find someone like you.
Baigan.
My special Poonam, I love you very much. The girl from South. Lovely. This is the best part, I think, because I'm technically from North also, but not important. It's all love. And शाहरुख जी, मेरी एक ही दुआ है, as and when it happens, अगर आप शादी करें, it's a magical universe. You might just get somebody better. Let's be open to that. So don't be hurt. And thank you so much for your comment. शाहरुख जी, एक और बात. Why would you want to marry? You appear to be happy. I think you're smiling in the photo. और क्या मस्त लग रहा है अपने चश्मे के साथ. तो ये शादी, I guess it's fine. नहीं करो तो भी ठीक है. इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. But फिर भी कि आपकी शादी करने की उमंग जाग जाती है मेरे फोटो को देख के, ये सुन के मैं बहुत ही खुश हुई. So thank you for saying that. So अगला प्रश्न है श्री बेंजामिन बटन की तरफ से. Button, I think. This dress doesn't fit at this age. Okay. But I still have to adapt to social media. So I'm guessing Benjamin still has to adapt to social media. But Benjamin ऐसा है कि अगर आप बूढ़े हो ना तो आपको बूढ़े लोगों का कपड़ा पहनना चाहिए. I don't understand why you're trying to adapt. Please don't. Just be who you are, Benjamin. We love you anyways. So guys, here were some of my reactions for some of the comments which came. लेकिन future में भी मैं जरूर वीडियो बनाऊंगी comment के reactions के लिए, because guys, through an emoji or through some text words, you know, my awesome personality doesn't get a chance to show itself. So you guys should know exactly what I felt when you read your comments. So in that case, you know, it's a free country, it's a democracy. Please keep the comments coming as you feel free, and I will keep responding to the comments as I feel free.